Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how we can find, remove and replace the mine filter, and there you have the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Pro. First we need to remove the top cover, so just lift it up. Then remove the dustbin container. You need to release this one trigger. And there we have the dustbin container with a filter. If you want to remove the filter, you have to just open this. Okay, you need to just lift it up from the right side, and as you can see, there our filter. If you want to clean it manually, use the compressor there, or just shake it. If you want to clean it under the water, remember to dry it for minimum 24 hours before the next use. So then install it like before. So you need to start from this part to the right side and push it until you hear the click. And that's it. Then install the dustbin container like before. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.